All right, this is downtown Pratt. We're back kind of do a final video of repairs completed. We talked earlier about the wall, the condition of the wall. You can see we've actually taken, this is where the area was leaking. We came in here and we put a new parapet wall up, new flashing all the way across through here. If you remember, the brick looks something very similar to this, very porous, you know, needs a mason or needs something tuck pointed to get that water out of there. And you can see the top areas where water's been pouring into the building over the years. Kind of show you what we've done here. You can now see there's nowhere for that water to run. We tied it back onto the main roof, and then we went ahead and covered it. We also fixed some of the areas that were where a satellite dish drug across the roof. You can see kind of through here. So we went ahead and repaired those kind of within the scope of the budget. We had a tear in the roof structure here. So we did flash this in. We extended it a lot more because we've got wrinkles and some things. This really needs to be cut out and redone. But this is just a repair to kind of dry them in until they can budget out for a new roof. And then finally up here, we had where I was pulling away from the system. They'd come in and coated it, but we've taken that and finished all that in. So this is a repair. This is the after video, downtown Pratt, Kansas.